What's going on, everyone? It's Trey's. I'm back finally. It's been a minute, and actually making this vlog as a test for my new GoPro 7 Hero7 Black, I should say, because I'm gonna be headed out to tail the dragon in a few days, actually. So yeah, you're a dick. So yeah, I'm gonna be headed out to tail the dragon in a few days, and I've been prepping a lot of my camera equipment now because I really wanted to get some good video. Every time I go to tail the dragon, I always want to get video. It just seems to never happen. Because I've been using a Sena 10C, and I've just been not feeling the quality of the 10C much. So, you know, how are you guys doing? You know, we're still in the middle of COVID. Everything's been crazy, and I know that I've not really made a lot of videos in years, actually. I've uploaded a few just to kind of test out the footage, but yeah, I've just been busy with life, guys. Just been busy, and you know, kind of just doing my thing. You know, life's been good, nothing bad. And the world's changed quite a lot since the last time I made a video. So, oh yeah, by the way, new bike. The last time I recorded a video, I was on my 2013 CBR 600RR. I got this bike that I'm riding right now, which is a 2016 matte black metallic CBR 1000RR. I picked this up in February of 18 as a leftover model, and 0 miles. It was awesome. Paid $10,000 out the door for it. Hell of a price. Yeah, that's how long it's been since I made a video. How weird. Last time you saw me, I was on a completely different bike. So, anyway, that is it for me, guys. Hope you guys are good. Hope you like the new video arrangement. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thoughts and tips, for that matter, because I'm definitely trying to find the best setup I can. So, hope you guys are good. Take care.